What's up, guys? Listen, here we have a little quick, fun video. In keeping with the budget build of this 2001 LS Camaro, which I have named Promise, I promise to stay within the budget. And if you try to chase every little detail with a 20-year-old car to perfect it, it will end up costing you a ton of money. What I plan to do is to spend the money where it will be used most efficiently. I will get the most bang for my buck, and in other areas I will do workarounds until a more reasonable or economical solution arises itself. So I have a center console, which is the top is not in the best of shape. The latch is broken, the cover is not that great, but it's decent enough to keep on the car for now. If I happen to go buy a swap meet, I'll pick one up for cheap. But to buy one over the internet, or to pick the entire top cost anywhere between $90 to $150. I've seen it in that range. Way too much money to spend for something like that on a car with over 200,000 miles on it and 19 years old. I'm not trying to make a show car. I'm trying to make a fun car. And I'm trying to do it at a budget, so you can, to show that you can have a great deal of fun, build something that you can enjoy without spending a ton of money. But if I chased every one of these small items, it would cost me a ton of money. So the latch is broken, which is a major annoyance. So what I did was make one. Now I could buy one. It cost about 30 bucks plus tax and shipping. By the time it's all said and done, it cost me close to 40 bucks, maybe $45 for a little latch, a little piece of plastic. To me, it's just not worth it. I'd rather wait until I get to a swap meet, find the piece itself, or find the entire top for 40 bucks instead of spending that much just for a latch or pay $150 for a cover. So here in this video, you'll see a quick fix that I decided to do. And it worked out pretty good. I'm happy with it. No one has noticed the fact that I finagled a latch yet. So it seems to be working fine. And it satisfied my need to have that area somewhat fixed. Take a look at it. Okay, YouTube. Here we have my center console cover. And the latch was broken. And I attempted to fix it myself. Let's see if this thing works. How it works out. Hey, it's a little finagle, but we'll see if it works. And now I just gotta order one. I just had to make something. I couldn't take it anymore.
Well, folks, it's time to kick it old school.
Okay, let's see how my invention works. I made a homemade latch. Let's see if that works. Okay, take a look. Take a look and see if this works. Just to show that the latch is working. Trying to pull it up, won't come up. Okay guys, so that's it. Doesn't take a whole lot of money to make something fix it. Hit that like button, subscribe, and hit the notification every time another video comes up. You'll get notified. Like I said, we plan on having a lot of fun here. God bless. Love you guys. Stay safe.